Hi, this is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my pattern starter templates. These templates help improve your workflow when creating patterns in Photoshop. The template we are working with today is template F, and it is designed in 7200 pixels by 7200 pixels. This template will be available to download in my Patreon page. I also have this template and more in my Ultimate Pattern Maker Toolkit for Photoshop, which includes all of my Photoshop templates and actions to help improve your workflow when designing in Photoshop. And I will leave a link in the description below to both my Patreon page and this toolkit. Currently I have the template open, and what we can see in our layers panel here is that we have our smart object here, and then we have our template folder, which just shows the various repeats of this pattern here. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on this smart object, and then you can just turn off the visibility of this placeholder, and then here you can start designing your pattern. For this, I'm going to use the brush tool, and then you can always change the size of your brush by using the right or left bracket key here. And I'm just going to draw a kind of a rainbow shape here, and then we'll try another one here on the inside. And then we'll just hit that move tool, and then we will click to align to canvas. That way we can just make sure it's centered here. And then I'm going to go ahead and just save this smart object. So we're going to go Command or Control S to save it. And then we'll jump back into our template here. And then you can see the various repeats. If we zoom out here, Command or Control with the minus key, and then we can turn on our pattern preview mode. That way we can see how it repeats in real time, and you can make any changes that you want. If you like your pattern, then you can save it. There are two ways to do this. You can go to Edit, Define Pattern here, or with the Patterns panel open here, just go ahead and open Window, select Patterns here, and then you can just hit this plus icon to save it. You can give your pattern a name, and then we'll go ahead and click on OK, and we can see our pattern swatch here. So if we want to test out our pattern, we'll open a new document, File, New. I'm just going to use the same dimensions here, 7200 pixels by 7200 pixels, resolution set to 300 pixels per inch, color mode is RGB color. We'll click on Create. Here I'm going to create a pattern adjustment layer. From here you can select your pattern, and then you also have the option to scale it. Let's go ahead and scale it down to 25% here, and then we'll click on OK. And then we can give it some color, so we'll go a solid color adjustment layer here. I'm just going to keep it black for the moment, and then we will right click to create a clipping mask, and then let's just go ahead and duplicate that layer, Command or Control J. We'll drag it to the bottom. This time we can just select white, FFF, and we have our pattern here. Now that you've got these set up, you can easily play with different colors. I'm just going to select some pre-select colors here. So if we make this blue, let's go ahead and switch. Let's make this one blue, this one white, and then you can always bring down the opacity to 50% here if you want to easily check different colors. And have that two-tone effect here, try and green. Let's go ahead and double click here. We'll bring it back up to 100%. And then if you wanted to save this as a tile swatch that you can upload to a print-on-demand site such as Spoonflower to sell as fabric or wallpaper, what you would do is go to File, Save a Copy, give it a name, and then I'm going to save it on my computer. Under Format, you would hit JPEG for the drop down, and then you just click on Save to save your swatch. We'll click back over into our Smart Object layer. Let's go ahead and turn the visibility off here. We'll bring up that again, and then let's go back to our brush tool. We'll hit D to get back to our default colors, and I'm just going to click, Shift click, and just start drawing some lines here. click, shift click. Okay, just some random lines and dots here. Let's go ahead and save it and see how it looks. So we'll go Command or Control S. We'll click back into our template here, and we can zoom in to see our pattern here. Let's go ahead and save it. And then we'll test it in our document here. I'm going to go back to our 25%, selecting that new pattern. Maybe we try another color just to see how it looks. Then you just zoom in and see the various pattern. And what's nice is you can always go back into the template and tweak it if you need to, depending on how you like the look of how it turns out. So I hope you enjoy using this template to create your own fun, unique patterns in Photoshop. This template will be available to download in my Patreon page. I also have this template and more in my Ultimate Pattern Maker Toolkit for Photoshop, which includes all of my Photoshop templates and actions to help improve your workflow when designing in Photoshop. And I will leave a link in the description below to both my Patreon page and this toolkit. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. This is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. See you next time.